Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is a famous traditional side dish of salted and fermented vegetables such as Napa cabbage and Korean radish, made with a widely varying selection of seasonings, including chili powder, spring onions, garlic, and ginger. But today, I'm not going to do the Korean style. I'm gonna make a vegan version of this kimchi. So, if you'd like to try this vegan recipe, the ingredients is on the description below. For preparing the cabbage, you have to quarter the cabbage and chop into about 2-inch pieces and place them in an extra large bowl and combine salt with 2 cups of lukewarm water and stir to dissolve salt. Or you can just pour the 3/4 cup salt directly to the cabbage. Then pour salt water over the cabbage and add water and stir to mix. Place a plate or circular baking dish of sorts on top to submerge the cabbage. Place something with a good amount of weight on top to hold down. It's not really necessary, but this helps to evenly wilt the cabbage. Give the cabbage a good mix every now and then. And set for 2 hours up to 4 hours if you like. While the cabbage is soaking, combine the apple, onion, ginger, garlic, the soy sauce, sugar, chili powder, in a food processor or in a blender and process until fairly smooth. Once the cabbage is ready, drain the water and rinse well. And place the cabbage back in a large bowl and combine with the scallions, carrots, apple, onion mixture, chili paste, and mix well to coat all pieces. You can either use your hands with gloves on prep to protect from the chili pepper, or simply use wooden spoons to toss everything, just what I'm doing right now. And once you're done mixing, place the kimchi in a mason jar or containers with lid. Pack down the best you can to close air packets and give about an inch at the top for air and gases. Tap with remaining juices and reserve brine if needed to cover vegetables. If you don't have glass jars, plastic containers with lids will work as well. If you have too much room, more than an inch, place plastic wrap over top but sinking it close to the surface of the kimchi and cover with lid. For fermenting the kimchi, let the kimchi set at room temperature or in a cool place like a pantry or closet. If weather is extremely warm, for 24 to 36 hours, open kimchi and pack the mixture down with a spoon. The cabbage will have likely shrunk and you will have more liquids. You may notice if bubbling. This is perfectly normal. As the kimchi is fermenting, as your kimchi ferments, the flavors will develop. Taste every 24 hours and place kimchi in the refrigerator once you're happy with the taste. And to slow fermentation, usually after 48 to 36 hours. It should be tangy, spicy, and slightly sweet. After moving to the fridge, it's best to use within a month or maybe two. Practice makes perfect with kimchi. You may find you like it or more or less spicy. After a few tries, you will find the perfect mix to suit your taste. Also, how fermented you like your kimchi will take practice as well. The weather will also play a role in how fast, slow your mixture will fermented. So, higher temperature will progress fermentation while cooler will slow it down. You can enjoy fresh kimchi after you mix it and store it straight in the fridge. You may like to experiment by putting half the recipe in the fridge and the other half in the pantry to ferment and sour to see which flavor is your favorite. And there you have it. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.